Welcome to our positive vibes meditation. All of us have come together as collective consciousness to just make sure that whatever contribution we can give to this planet Earth, we're going to do this now by contributing to ourselves, our loved ones, and the entire nation, the country, and the entire planet. Trying to increase the vibration, the frequency that we all are oscillating in. Sometimes it's stress, it's fear, sometimes it's unknown fear and unknown stress. So first is to keep ourselves healthy, and then to the entire world. Request all of you to just focus on one point on your wall in front of you. Look at that point, and while looking at it, just keep breathing. Focus on your nostril, how you're breathing in, the rhythm of your breath. Is it shallow? Is it deep? Is it going to the diaphragm or chest? Just take a deep 3 breaths while focusing right in front of you on that spot. And slowly and gradually just close your eyes. Then while closing your eyes, you're calming your mind and relaxing your body. Keep breathing in and keep breathing out. Just have the focus of all the sound that's coming from your room. The sound of the fan, the AC, my voice, any faded voice that is coming outside of your house, outside of your room. Maybe dogs are barking, children are playing, somebody is talking. Just be aware. Just noticing and acknowledging the sound around us. At the same time, just feel the air touching your body. The air coming from the fan, from the AC, how is it touching your body? What's the temperature of your body? From head to toe, is it warm, hot, chilled, cold? Is it mixed? Just acknowledging what is happening on the outside of my physical body. And just be aware that our palms are touching our thighs. We are sitting on the couch, the sofa, floor, bed. How is it that my body is feeling the comfort and the backrest that's touching my body? Just getting in communion with Mother Earth. Sinking into the comfort of what is touching my body. Again, have a focus on your breath, on the rhythm of your breath. Just observe, it is a warm breath or a cold breath. What's the sound of your breath? What's the rhythm of your breath? How deep is it going, or is it shallow? We will not change it. We will just acknowledge and observe it. Now just have the focus inside of your head, the top of your head, the side of your head, and the back of your head. The consciousness that we are going to touch, the space that we truly are. What is going on from the inside? All the unwanted thoughts, continuous thoughts, stress, worry, hidden stress, hidden worries. What's the vibration of your head, the sensation, the tingling effect? We are just acknowledging if there is any thought, memory, anything that flashes, it will come and let it go. You just observe it coming and going and come back to your breathing and observe what is going inside of your head. Unknown stress, hidden stress, heaviness, all the worries that we are carrying, known, unknown, consciously, unconsciously. Not changing anything, just acknowledging that yes, it is there. And just have the focus on your forehead, your eyes, your nose, your cheeks, your lips, your ears, inside of your face. How's the blood flowing? How are the veins, the prana, where is it going? Just being aware. What is happening? The tingling effect, the sensation of it. Is it static? Is it moving? Just acknowledging all the worries that my face is carrying, which I'm not even aware of. The stress that my face is carrying, just observing and acknowledging all those feelings that we were hiding from ourselves or ignoring from ourselves, acknowledging that today. Any thought will come and go, let it come and let it go. Don't stuck yourself there. And we go down and focus in our neck, the side of our neck, the back of our neck, all those unexpressed words that are choked there. And we are hiding it from our own selves. That it won't be right if I'll say this, I'll be judged. All those expressions that we wanted to tell to all those people we care for. All those people we know they are not well, they are fighting with COVID-19. And we wanted to tell them, express our self-love for them. But it's choked. We couldn't do that. Just acknowledging where is it stored in our neck. In what form? Is it moving? Is it static? Is it heavy? Is it light? Expansive or contraction? All those self-expression that we could not express it to ourselves. Not living in a truth that we are infinite beings. This too shall pass. And from there, let's have a focus on our shoulders. What is happening inside of our shoulders? All the unknown responsibility and burden that we are carrying of this entire world, of my family, of my neighbors, of my friends, even the stories that I'm seeing and hearing in the news, unknowingly the responsibility that I feel I have on my shoulders of people that we don't even know, of animals around us. The pressure that we are carrying, just acknowledging that. We are just acknowledging all the things that we were hiding from ourselves and ignoring it and putting it under the carpet. From there, let's just go down to our spine. Upper back, lower back, middle back, 32 vertebra, the spine cord. Wherever we feel that, we know it or we don't know it, unconsciously, we are taking so much of pressure and we have been pushed into this pandemic emotionally. We have been pushed into something without our acknowledgement, without our consent. We are in this pandemic together. All the pressure that we're feeling on our back, or we feel we are spineless, we can't do anything, that unknown feeling hidden under the layers and the layers and the layers of your unconscious mind, we are touching that space, acknowledging it and seeing how is it being stored in my body, what is happening in our back, what is the vibration of my back, sensation of my back, is it moving from upper back to lower back, or is it moving from lower back to upper back? All the emotions that is coming, let it come, let it flow. The sensation of my back. The pain that my back is stored, is it contractive, expansive, light or heavy, moving or static? Just acknowledging it. From there, let's have a focus and awareness in our chest. All the sadness and upsetness that we are hiding, all of the place where we want to cry, but we are holding on to it. Just acknowledge what is happening there. The heaviness, just acknowledging that. It might bring any memory, let it come and go. Just acknowledge the heaviness in our chest. How is it making us feel? Making my body feel? And from there, let's go down into our stomach. Wherever we have rejected our knowing, wherever we have rejected as if we don't know anything, we are totally worthless. It's up to the government to do this. I don't know how to save my people's lives. Self-rejected emotions, fear. Just acknowledging where is it stored in your stomach, behind any organ, on the organ. Is it moving up and down or sideways? Noticing what is happening inside my body. And from there, let's have a focus in our entire arms, elbows, forearms, hands, palms, fingers, tip of the nails. Wherever we are not been able to help others or give a hand of help to others, not been able to work for others, stopping ourselves because we don't know how to do it. Where is it that we have stored that thought process in our arms? From top to bottom, what's happening inside of our bodies? Just acknowledging that. If any thought comes, focus on your nostril, focus on inhale and exhale. Just the rhythm of my breath, just inhaling and exhaling, not putting any pressure on the breath, the natural breath. And from there, let's just have the awareness in our groin area and in our hips. All the issues with finances, that in this crisis, how will I run my house? How will I get money? If my saving will go away, what will happen to me? All the fear and scarcity of money I've stored in my groin area and in my hips. Just observing where is it stored and how it is being stored. Just observing that. And from there, we move towards our thighs. And we are just acknowledging that wherever I feel lack of confidence, oh my God, the pandemic has come, I'll never get married. When will this happen? Or the advancement in my business, in my acting, in my work. And we're feeling shaky about it. The pain that we are carrying, the instability that we are feeling today in today's time. How can we help the animals? How can I do anything just to save anybody on this planet Earth today? Or just to save myself? The instability that we are feeling, just acknowledging the sensation of it. Just touching the space inside of us. And we go down into our knees. Wherever we feel the lack of confidence and fear in us, and we go down into our shin, our calf, the instability that we are feeling, we go down and acknowledge what's happening inside of my ankle, my feet, and our sweet little toes. Just acknowledging how the emotion is being stored and it is making me feel more small, that I don't feel like standing tall. Where we feel that we are not grounded, there is instability in our lives. We are completely numb, don't know how to move forward. Is it even right to move forward? Will we be able to save our lives? All these emotions, thoughts, feelings, said, unsaid, which are not a contribution to all of us together here. We are just acknowledging how we have stored it in our bodies. Where is it moving and how is it moving? And keep breathing in. Get your focus on your nostril, how you're taking in the oxygen, how you're exhaling. Where is it going? And while doing that, you focus on your breathing, and when your breath reaches the center of your chest, have the awareness that there is this white light ball is coming prominent in the center of your chest, in your cosmic heart, which is your light body. Your essence is coming brighter and brighter, prominent and prominent, and before you even know it, this liquid light starts flowing in your entire chest, taking away all the heaviness in your chest, cleansing and healing completely your chest, going up to your upper chest, to your entire shoulders, taking away all the burdens that you're carrying of this world. It's dissipating all of that energy. Going in your neck, wherever you couldn't express, it's taking away all that feeling. Going in your face, it's relaxing those muscles which are stressed out and showing on our faces. It's going up into our head, the top of our head, the back of our head, the side of our head, and going deeper and deeper and deeper into all the nervous system, brain waves. It's just going and dissipating and dissolving all those stress and worries that we even don't want to accept that we are carrying. Dissolving all of it for all of us together. We are allowing our light body to work on us today, and dissipating from our conscious mind, subconscious mind, unconscious mind, going deeper and deeper and deeper into us. And there's so much of this white light. It's in abundance. Before you even know it, it's in your entire hands, inside of your hand, just dissipating, making its own way, going into your bloodstreams, your veins, your cells, your dead cells. It is activating your cells, making you feel alive, that you are. Getting in your entire back, your spine cord, dissolving that nobody can push you anymore. It would be your willingness, what you want to do. You cannot be pushed into anything. Dissolving all of that, going down into your stomach, cleansing all your organs, fear, healing your organs, your entire large intestines, small intestines, going into your colon, your spleen, your physical body, and it's going deeper and deeper and deeper inside your all bodies. You're just brimming with this white divine light, and this light is transmuting all those heavy energies, all the belief systems that we are being small and things are out of our hand. this uncertainty, this fear, this heaviness. It's just dissolving all of it. You're allowing it to completely cleanse you today. It's going down into your hips, your groin area, cleansing all the fear, going down into your thighs, your knees, your calves, your feet, your ankle, the tip of your toes. You're completely enveloped with this white divine light, with this white liquid light, which is you, the essence of each one of us here. It's going deeper and deeper into your mental body, your emotional body, your causal body. It's getting deeper and touching your energy body, cleansing all the holes in your energy body, cleansing and healing and releasing all the wounds in your emotional body, in your electromagnetic body, your physical body. You're allowing it to go deeper and deeper and deeper into you. And while you're inhaling, wherever you're sitting, on the chair, sofa, floor, from your body, from your feet, it is going deeper down into Mother Earth. Mother Earth is pulling this energy from you, which is making you feel heavy. Not a contribution to you at this moment. It's with this gravitational pull, it's pulling all these emotions out of your physical body, emotional body, mental body, astral body, causal body, energy body, electromagnetic body. It's just pulling it away, and this white divine light is going down and down and down and down into the layers and deeper layers of Mother Earth. Before we even know it, zoop, it goes at the speed of God, at the center of Mother Earth. And there is this pink light shining there. The Merkaba, the center of Mother Earth, shining with this pink unconditional love. And when you breathe in, you inhale this pink divine light, and it starts coming towards you. Before coming towards you, starts meeting your white light, as if they are rejoicing, hugging each other, making love to each other. They were missing each other. That today is the time that we are back in communion with Mother Earth. And you breathe in this pink light, keep breathing in. It comes to your toes, your feet, your calves, your knees, your thighs, your groin, your stomach, your chest, your neck, your face, the top of your head, the back of your head, your entire hands, your entire back. You're brimming with this pink divine light, which is showing you this is the unconditional love that you are. The essence of each one of us is love. There is so much pink light in you right now that all your 7 bodies, all your 3 minds, all your aspects, all your cells, your atoms, everything is soaking into this pink divine light. Muscles, tissues, cells, bloodstream, nerves, all the veins, all nadis. It's getting into it and cleansing all of it and leaving you with unconditional love that you truly are. It's getting into your astral body, healing and cleansing your entire emotional body with this unconditional love. It's also cleansing your energy body, all the energy holes that were there. It's just cleansing and sealing all that energy holes. It's getting your energy intact, reviving it, rejuvenating all the cells, getting into your mental body, all the stress that you had been going through, the calculations and strategies, this or that. It's just melting, dissipating all those energies, leaving you with this pink, divine, unconditional love that you truly are. There is so much of pink divine light in you that it starts coming out from the edges of your physical body. and it covers your auric field from all the direction. It's melting all the evil eyes, negative chords, all that is not working for you. This white and pink light has also started channelizing your chakras from your root to crown and to all those other 13 chakras from head to toe. It's balancing your chakras. Your auric field is completely covered with this pink divine light. You've become a ball of this pink divine light. There's so much of abundance of this pink divine light that you start expanding, and it is in your entire room. The walls are pink in your room. The curtain is becoming pink. The bed is pink. Your clothes are becoming pink. Your cupboard is pink. And keep expanding and expanding and expanding. It's going beyond the walls of your room. It's in your entire house. And it's transmuting all those negative energies. It's transmuting all those low vibration frequency energies into positive energies and high frequency energies. Your pink divine light, it's touching and going in every nook and corner of your house. Touching everything in your house and transmuting all those energies that is not a contribution to you and your family. Those people who need this healing right now, who are stressed in your house, whether they say it or not, maybe they even don't know it consciously. We go into their touch, their unconsciousness, together with this collective consciousness that we have today, taking away all of their stress, just touching them and showing them that the choice to come together with us and take this one step forward and keep expanding a little more and little more and little more, and let it go to all the neighbors, all the animals, stray animals who need this pink divine light, all those hospitals where there are no beds, people are gasping for breath. We are just contributing this pink divine light to everybody and washing out all the stress from their unconscious mind right now and conscious mind. We are contributing to everybody who's sitting at home and suffering with the disease, with the virus, or scared of the virus, not stepping out. All those people who have lost their jobs, who are in fear, uncertainty of finances. We are just touching their space and showing them that there is this higher frequency, and we all together can step into that and just take one step ahead together. And let them choose. All those animals who are hungry right now, who have been asking for food, we are just touching them and they know that we are there. We are just letting them know, just little more patience. You'll get your food. And just keep expanding and keep expanding and keep expanding. And all those relatives of ours, our friends from this lifetime or any other lifetime, all those people in this entire world who need this contribution today, this unconditional love, to let them know that they are not alone. We all are together into this. And let's just upgrade our frequency. Keep expanding this pink light. All the trees around you are becoming pink. The leaves are becoming pink. These stray animals, the pet animals, cats, dogs, pigeons, crows, everything is becoming pink around you. All other people that you're touching are becoming this pink unconditional love. Touching them and taking away whatever is not theirs. Anything in low frequency in the entire world, we are showing them that let's everyone together, unconsciously, subconsciously, and consciously, with this consciousness, take one step ahead. and keep expanding and expanding and expanding. And we have crossed this Mother Earth, and this Mother Earth also becomes completely pink light. And we are standing in the solar system. All the other planets are pink. The sound that you're listening is just the unconditional love. We're just expanding and expanding and expanding and going to the other different universes. And they're also becoming pink and taking contribution for all the beings from the different universe. All the beings who are there to contribute to us. Any being of the universe in higher dimension is willing to contribute. We are just taking the molecules from there and coming back, taking all the molecules from all the solar system, all the planets who are ready to contribute to Mother Earth today. We are just smiling and taking all those contributions. And we come back, we come back, we come back, we come back. We keep coming back and giving these molecules to all those who need us. All the molecules that we have got from different dimensions, we are touching and giving these molecules whosoever need it. I don't have to know them consciously. My consciousness knows it. Whosoever need it, we are contributing and coming back to us. We are touching each and every one of us and touching our families. And telling each other that we have each other's back. We have each other with us. We are not alone in this. And keep coming back and keep coming back and keep coming back and put this molecule inside of your cosmic heart. And from there, see that your emotional body, your astral body, and your mental body comes and stands in front of you in this pink divine light. Even your astral body, even your energy body, your electromagnetic body, all your 6 bodies with your physical body are standing in one circle in front of you. And in the center of the circle, there is this fire element, this Havan Kund. And this fire element today, the beings of fires are working with us. And all those people who are suffering, who are in stress, who are in fear, who are in any negative emotion today, they are, whosoever is ready to release this energy, our 6 bodies are ready to put all those energies together into this Havan Kund and dissipate from this entire world. All those things which are making us feel heavy, stressed out and worried about somebody, about the world, about the nation, about future. Everything, our astral body is getting something, our mental body is getting something and putting into this Havan Kund. Emotional body is getting some emotions putting into it. Mental body is getting some belief system which is not working anymore and just burning everything into the flames of this Havan Kund, of this fire element today. And not just for us, for the entire nation, for the entire world that we have touched today. And you see it with your physical body, with the vision that you are, that you truly are. And you know it, that it's burning inside of it and it's transmuting into this silver light, this white divine light, which is going back and filling everybody again with this higher vibrations, whosoever need it, including all of us, our family members. Let this process happen. The intelligence of universe is far, far beyond our understanding. The intelligence of a physical body that is doing this for us. The intelligence of our consciousness. negativity is transmuting into positivity. All the low vibrations are transmuting into high vibrations. Just see it happening. Let it happen. Let it take its own time. And now you see that there is another mob of people who are standing in front of that circle, and you're just noticing who are these people. Some you know, some you don't know, but there are people who are standing there. They've come for help today. They want your contribution today. Their pain bodies, their stress bodies are standing. And we ask all of them, with the help of these beings and our 7 bodies, brimming in this pink divine light, to drop all that they want to drop one by one. They can come and drop it into this Havan Kund, and just see them doing that. They are dropping the black light and they are taking away this white divine light with them. Person comes and drop the black light. It transmutes, make it white, and they take it with them and they go away. And we just let this process happen. And it's happening at the speed of God. Very fast it is happening. Before we even know it, half of the people are done. There are few more who are left. New faces have shown up. We are just doing this process, showing them they can do this today. Maybe all those people who are in the hospitals and they're asking for help, and they have reached out to you today for gasping for oxygen. And before you even know it, now there are just last few slot is left. And when you're done, you just look at all your 7 bodies, smile at each other, and feel proud that we could contribute, and this is our true essence. And together, you observe from your physical body, all your 6 bodies together, see that there is a bouquet of flowers of your favorite colors, favorite flowers. Maybe you know these flowers, you have never even seen these flowers. And one by one, all your 6 bodies starts picking up its favorite flower. And they start moving ahead. There is a space elevated. It is a shrine or a temple or an other dimension, or just to your higher self. You entering there with flowers in your hand, and you offer these flowers, your entire 6 bodies offer these flowers one by one, giving gratitude to your physical life here in human dimension. That thank you so much. Thank you for my life. I'm breathing. My physical body is functioning. Today I could contribute to all those I don't even know of. I'm strong. I'm happy, abundant, giving a lot of gratitude. And from there, one by one, your body starts coming back into your cosmic heart. Your cosmic heart opens, your emotional body enters, then your mental body enters, electromagnetic body enters, energy body enters, causal body enters, your mental body enters, and your cosmic heart closes. And let your body settle inside it with the new molecules, with the new shift, with the new vibration and new frequency. And once you're ready to this session as a collective consciousness, thanking each and every person here, touching your thighs, your hands, your face, and you open your eyes. Thank you, everyone.